Welcome to our guide on how to activate the quality filter for notifications on Twitter using your PC. Let's walk through the straightforward steps to ensure you have control over the quality of notifications you receive. Start by heading to your notifications timeline on Twitter, where you can conveniently view all your notifications in one place. Once you've located the notifications section, let's proceed to the next step. To customize your notifications and access the quality filter option, find and click on the Settings tab within the Notifications timeline. This will allow you to adjust your notification preferences to focus on quality content. Within the Settings menu, you'll find the Quality Filter option. Simply click on the box next to the Quality Filter to enable it. This action will activate the quality filter and ensure that you receive notifications containing high-quality content. By following these steps, you can easily manage and refine your notification settings on Twitter, ensuring that you receive notifications tailored to your preferences and interests. Take charge of the quality of notifications you receive on Twitter by activating the quality filter and enhancing your notification experience. Stay engaged and informed with your Twitter interactions by following these simple steps to enable the quality filter for notifications on your PC.